For only 15 days a year, the Greater Khingan Mountains turn from green to golden yellow, and it is destined to be a short-lived terrestrial miracle. So in the middle of September, I brought a drone, a camera, backpack, and a ticket to Halar. I took a 6-hour flight and a 9-hour train, and I finally arrived at 6:15 in the morning. As I opened the last shaman of Istiwenki, the fallen leaves rustled softly under my feet. I seemed to walk into a quiet ceremony, and every step seemed to speak to the autumn of the Greater Khingan Mountains. The autumn wind swept over the Morgula River, which is like the ancient veins flowing silent grassland. As the sun set, Khingan City glowed with golden light, as if wearing a golden mask. If you ask me what a perfect trip is, a person, a backpack, a small, easy-to-control drone, and a destination full of surprises. The wooden house, cooking smoke, and reindeer all turn into a rich painting. In Genhe City's morning market, when the train headed north, time seemed to stay in Bokatu town of the 1980s, gathering into a warm and bright golden world. For 15 days, the Greater Khingan Mountains are briefly covered in gold. There is no hustle, only a golden surf, like an ancient afterglow. In the Greater Khingan Mountains in September, I seem to enter the golden land left behind by time.